what I look at in every stock I'm trading is the ATR, which is the average true range of a stock. And what that calculates is the last 14 5-minute candles. And it gives you a range of what each of the 5-minute candlesticks is and will be. And you really have to use that when you're talking about your stop orders, okay? So, a stock like Meta probably is going to have an ATR around $5. So, if I'm a 100-share trader and I want to trade Meta, right, I'm not going to risk $500 on the trade. So I'll cut my size. I'll do 50 shares and I'll risk $250 on the trade instead of doing 100 shares and risking $5 on the trade. If it's a lower ATR, if we're trading the spiders, right? The spider ATR is usually 25 or 30 cents. That's just what it is usually, right? And if you look down here this morning, I love my relative strength, right? And we got close to it. We got close to a 20 RSI when we were all the way down here in the SPY. So to give you an example in this, and spiders, if you make 50 cents or $1, you're making a really good trade in this. And you can have a little more size in this because you're not going to be risking a lot. When I'm trading the SPY, 50 cents is a big stop for me. And usually if you're wrong by 50 cents, you're going to be wrong by more than that, right? So, we made a low down here of 497.50. All right, so I'm only looking to take out of this trade my 2 resistance levels. And I don't care what happens after that if it keeps going higher. So it was 497.50. So here, we got $1 on it, which is a really nice trade in the spiders. And we took it to the next resistance level, which is $1.50. So if you're making, between 50 cents and $1.50 on an SPY trade, and you can be a little more aggressive because you're not risking a lot on it. So, this, you do 200 or 300 shares. If I do 200 shares here, I'm risking $100 and I'm taking almost $400 out of the trade. And that's the kind of risk reward we want to have on every single trade that we do. And of course, if I got in at my 20 RSI and it went 50 cents against me, I get out of the trade.